Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a freestanding wardrobe closet with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's begin with a 1x6x5 wall panel. I'm going to place a set of 1x2 plates with stick right in the top center. And I'm going to stack a set of 1x4 plates right on top, followed by a pair of 1x1 bricks on both left and right hand sides. Then I'm going to take some 1x3 rounded plates. I'm going to place one on each end right here. These are going to simulate little legs on the bottom of our wardrobe closet. Then we're going to set in a 1x6x6 frame right there. Now for some doors, let's take a 3x6 door. I'm going to place a silver metallic stud. I want to make two of these. I want to set these inside of a 1x6x6 frame. These just snap right in place. Place this one right here. We're going to set this on the other ends of our 1x3 rounded plates. And we're going to crown off the top with several 2x3 flat tiles. This is going to lock in all these joints right here. And for added stability, I'm going to open this up and I'm going to pinch in here. This is all locked in place. Now I want to fill in the wardrobe closet with some torsos and pants. So I'm going to take some plain torsos. I already pulled the hands, they just pull straight off. And I want to place a clip right on top. These are 1x1 plates with holder. And these can't fit in straight, so I'm going to have to keep them like this. And we're going to prepare these a little bit. I'm going to keep the arms pushed back a little bit because we're going to need every bit of clearance we can. And I'm just going to place this right in here. Snaps right in place. Just wiggle that to the far end and the door closes. Now we got to do that 2 more times. So we're going to get some more torsos. Prepare these up. Stick another clip on here. Now I could just speed build through this, but this is more of an educational value than anything here. I'm going to stick that right there, and you can test as much as you want. That still closes up, so that's good. And we got the last one here. And you notice how I'm holding it like that and putting it right here. This one here, I'm going to set right on the very end, right on this part of the stick. Right there. Slide that in. Sometimes the doors don't close because now we're going to have to rearrange some stuff. You can just mash it in there, but it works. Nothing bad about torsos. Now I'm going to add some pants in here, so I'm just going to grab some legs and just slide those in at the bottom. You can put them in any way you wish. Set these right in here, and yes, I know my hands are getting in the way. Put these right here. Makes a nice wardrobe closet. Everything closes up, and you can put anything in there you wish.